Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make 비빔국수 with the rice noodles. First of all, boil the water. Put the noodles into the boiling water. I'm making for 2 people. Keep stir the noodles to prevent the noodles stuck onto the pot on the bottom. Drain the hot water and wash the noodles in the cold water. If it is possible, you could wash it in the ice water too.